Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to update ads in Google Play Store. Friends, if you want to see the list of all the apps on which update is pending, then you need to open Google Play Store. Now here you need to press on the profile icon. Now press on Manage Apps and Devices. Now here it will check all the apps on which update is pending. Now here it will show option to update all apps, and you can see the list of all the apps on which update is pending by pressing on See Details. Now it will show the list. Here you can also update apps one by one by pressing on Update, or you can also press on Update All. Then it will update all the apps on the list. So friends, like this you can very easily update apps on Google Play Store. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.